In this video, I'll show you how to autofill Row in Google Sheets. Whether you want to copy a value, continue a number pattern, or fill out a list faster, these tricks will save you tons of time. First up, let's look at the fill handle, the tiny but powerful tool built right into Google Sheets. Type something into a cell. Let's say we type Apple in cell A1. Now move your mouse to the bottom right corner of that cell. You'll see a small blue square appear. When your cursor turns into a little plus sign, click and drag it horizontally across the row. Let go of your mouse and boom. Sheets automatically fills those cells with the same value. If you start with a pattern, like typing 1 and 2 in cell, then drag to the right, Sheets will continue the sequence, 3, 4, 5, and so on. It even works with dates or days of the week. Try typing Monday and watch it fill out the rest of the week automatically. Now let's look at other method. The keyboard shortcut for autofill. For this, type your value in the cell, like done. Next, highlight all the cells you want to fill, then press Ctrl plus Enter on Windows or Command plus Enter on a Mac. Instantly, every selected cell fills with the same value, and that's it.